Low-end torque. At an estimated 420 pound-feet, the 2.7 turbo sets the bar for more torque than any base engine in its class.
I spent the majority of my career as a small block engineer, and I still work with V8s. I love the small block engine, and I was surprised at how much torque was available on this engine, especially so early in the RPM range. It's very exciting. Historically, a customer who tows a boat to the marina or pulls a camper or a race car to the track would default to a V8. Now our customers have a choice. They can have power, durability, and great efficiency in an engine that's half the size.
The 2.7 liter's impressive torque is enabled by its strength and durability. And now it's even stronger. We stiffened the crank by 30%, and we've employed proven turbo diesel design techniques for many of the components throughout the engine. We added 1 kilogram of aluminum to the block in the form of additional ribbing, and stiffening and strengthening the engine has allowed us to crank up the output and make it smoother and quieter at the same time.
Another enabler is our active thermal management technology that gives this engine targeted heating and cooling capabilities to ensure optimum engine temperature. Whether it's pulling a lot of weight or passing a big rig on the highway, the upgraded 2.7 liter engine does the job confidently.